today's video, I'll teach you how to change your email address in Prime Video. So first of all, open the Prime Video application. You can see over here Prime Video application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings over here. What you have to do is tap on this option, My Account, that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see three options over here: Manage Account, Delete Account, Sign Out. Tap on this option, Manage Account, that you can see at top. Now you'll be able to manage your account. What you have to do is tap on this option, Edit on Amazon, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to edit your informations over here. At second, you'll be able to find this option for email. So what you have to do is tap on the edit option right next to it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to change the email address. What you have to do is enter the new email address over here. Tap on this option, Change Email Address. Now you can see over here, you'll have to verify your email address. A security code will be sent to your email. So open the Gmail on your device. You can see over here Prime Video has sent me the email. Tap on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the OTP. You can copy the OTP or you can also memorize it. After you do that, go back to the Prime Video application. Now enter the security code over here. Once you do that, tap on this option, Verify Email Address, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your email address has been verified. Now enter the password. Tap on the field of Amazon password. Now what you have to do is simply enter your password over here. After you enter the password, tap on this option, Save Changes. Now you can see over here your email address has been successfully modified. Like this, you'll be able to change the email. So that is how you change email in Prime Video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.